Hi, big girl. Hi. Did you have a good lunch? Oh, yeah? What else did you have? What else? Oh, some broccoli? Oh, now you want to see this. Okay, well, you just eat your spoon for a while. How about that? Okay. Well, bye-bye. Bye-bye.